In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived spaces in ClickUp. Whether you're looking to access some old projects or need to revisit past work, knowing how to find archived spaces can be a game changer in managing your workflow and staying organized. Let's start by heading over to ClickUp. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll want to locate the Settings option. Usually you'll find it nestled in the sidebar on the left side of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings menu, your next step is to navigate towards the spaces section. While you're in the settings, you might notice several categories listed. You'll need to find the one labeled spaces. Once you've located it, click on it and you'll be directed to an overview of all your current spaces. Next, we want to focus specifically on our archived spaces. While still in the Spaces section, look for an option marked as Archived Spaces. This is usually displayed under the list of active spaces, allowing you to distinguish between your ongoing and archived work. Click on Archived Spaces to access this area. Now, you should see a list of all the spaces that have been archived. This list includes any spaces that have been put away, whether for organizational purposes or because they've been completed. You can now browse through these archived spaces, reopen them if needed, or simply review the contents. This functionality is particularly useful if you work with long-term projects that you might need to revisit after a certain period. And there you have it. Viewing archived spaces in ClickUp is quite simple once you know where to look. This feature is an excellent way to keep your workspace tidy and focus on your current projects without losing track of past work. Remember, this option not only helps you stay organized, but can also serve as a valuable point of reference whenever you need to draw insights or reuse information from previous projects. Make it a habit to periodically check your archived spaces if you think you might need details from them down the line. This proactive approach will ensure you can always find what you need when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you navigate ClickUp more effectively.